Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll guide you through setting up a secure V2Ray connection using the Dark Tunnel VPN app with configurations from UDP Custom. This setup will help you enhance your online privacy and enjoy faster, safer browsing. Let's jump right in. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Dark Tunnel VPN. Download and install the app on your device. Next, open any web browser and search for UDP Custom. Be sure to select the official UDP Custom website. On the website, tap the menu button located at the top right corner. From the menu, choose the V2Ray option. Select your preferred server location from the list provided. Pick your desired server and click the Next button. Copy the V2Ray server configuration that appears. Now, launch the Dark Tunnel VPN app. Tap the three-dot menu icon at the top right corner and select Config. Click on Import, then choose Clipboard to paste the configuration you copied. Optionally, you can add a valid server name indication, SNI, to enhance your connection. Finally, tap Connect to establish your secure V2Ray connection, and that's it. You're now connected securely via Dark Tunnel VPN using V2Ray, giving you enhanced security and privacy online. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful content, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.